A crazy find at Salvation Army. I found 2 pairs of Roberto cavalli jeans. Take off like 2.5 inches, which is kind of a lot. I cut it apart. I think it just makes sense to make this back portion maybe smaller and then reconnect it. Pinned. So now I'm gonna cut the excess off. See how this fits? Yeah, it fits, so let's get sewing. This is the top. I am actually ready for work now. I'm gonna wear it today. I have it on with some baggy cargos in my Reebok and this Realtree new era hat. And it's a look. Thai tea. Last weekend I tried taro boba tea. It was so good. Oh my gosh. I'm really starting to find my passion when it comes to recording bits and pieces of my life and just putting together small little montage as the one that I did in the beginning of this video. It just allows me to really reflect and look back on what I do for fun. There's so many of you that will continuously support me, and for that I appreciate you guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you a haul of clothing items that I got from a couple of different places. It's short and sweet, and there's a little bit of styling in there. I incorporated photos of some items that I have on my wish list that would go perfect with some of the items that I bought and some of the items that I already have in my closet. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you. I have a haul for you guys, and I promise I'm not bald. There's a bun back there, believe it or not. I've been keeping all my little finds in this box, and we're gonna go through it because she's looking a bit full. I do have more clothes that I thrifted at Goodwill in my car because they don't give bags anymore, which is kind of crazy, but another haul will be coming up. I mean, it's an endless cycle when it comes to thrifting and me. Let's start off with some cute little shorts that I got, which I haven't actually styled or worn, but these are absolutely adorable. It's like a knit crochet kind of vibe, cable knit shorts. Very nice color, gray and neutral color that will go with a lot of things. The brand is Windsor. I think it'll be a really nice little piece for Florida fall. I also got these shorts, which I have worn, but I don't really like the way that they fit me, so I think that I'm gonna let them go. They are tagged a 00, but they're big on me. I don't really know what to say about that, but they're literally like the perfect shorts for sweaters, for t-shirts, for button downs, for hoodies, you know, just like that nice sleek slack short kind of thing. A crazy find at Salvation Army. I found 2 pairs of Roberto cavalli jeans. These are the first pair, which my mom was telling me I should customize them into something and do like a video on that, but I don't know, I don't have the heart to like cut them up. This is an insane find, and the only flaw on this one, this little thing is broken. Oh yeah, and it's missing the front button here. So I think this will be the pair that I customize, but look at the insane detail on these pants. Like, how cool is that? It even has like a little charm here. Like, that's so amazing. So with this one, I think I'm gonna turn it into a mini skirt and just add a new button and obviously adjust the waist size for me, because I believe these pants are like a 28. We're gonna customize these to like a black corduroy, so I think it'll look really good as like a pleated low-rise mini skirt. And these were like $4. Insane. These are the second pair. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely mind-boggling that I even found them and no one else picked them up. Like, hello? Crazy find. They say just cavalli right here. This is what the inside tags look like. It's like a skinny jean, and it has all of this paneling and stuff here and zippers. And I just love this patch. It has some type of animal fur, big hard JC emblem. That is some solid detailing right there. Like, that's expensive. And then it has this little pepper on the zipper, and it says just cavalli. Like, wow, the detailing on this, insane. And the last pair of pants that I have to show you guys are this brand that I've never thrifted before or even seen, called First. I'm assuming they're vintage, and they have a lot of cool red stitching throughout. They're a low rise fit and flare jean, literally my go-to. Randomly I found this bra. It's like a butter yellow. I don't know why, I've kind of really been into that color recently. The brand is Exhilaration. I don't even know if it's my size. I didn't try it on because I wanted to wash it, but how cutie patootie is it? And it's crazy because I found also a butter yellow button down shirt, and I was thinking like, wow, this under that shirt with it peeking out just like a tiny smidgen, or even not at all, but me just knowing that my bra matches my shirt would be so cute. Let me show you the shirt. This is the shirt. It's a Liz Claiborne button down shirt, but isn't this color absolutely gorgeous? I can't imagine myself wearing a color this bright, but I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it that I want to step out of my comfort zone and try it out. But what I plan to do with this is crop it and make it like a boxy cropped button down, because I feel like with it long, that's just too much yellow. So it needs half of this fabric to be chopped. This is another piece that I want to alter. It's already in the shape that I like. I just want to make it more fitted to my body. It looks really cool and like psychedelic kind of. If I make this into one of those tops that's really snatched on your body, buttoned all the way up, ooh, with the little black mini skirt and some black boots. Fall uniform right there. I also got this Yosemite crew neck. I feel like maybe I should cut the neck off and crop it a little bit to make it even cooler, because I have worn it. I feel like I have to adjust it too much, like I tuck it into my bra to make it a little bit shorter, so I might as well just crop it. So there's another thing I want to DIY. Oh, I forgot I got this shirt. This is literally just a white cropped short sleeve button down shirt. The pockets are huge on the front, which I really like. Pretty sure it's 100% cotton. The material is really nice. I found this at Salvation Army. I think I found all of this at Salvation Army, which is crazy. Like, I had a really good Salvation day, because usually when I go, it's like very wishy-washy, which is why I just go, you know? I just go and see what I can find. Sometimes I find bangers, sometimes I find nothing. I also found this simple little sheer tank top, which I thought would be cool for layering purposes. Really not much to say about it. The brand is Elle. I also got this cami, which I need to alter to make tight. I just feel like it would be so cute. Been trying to dabble in stripes a little bit, so I've been getting stripe pieces here and there. Ooh, this is like one of the camis that I always dreamt of finding at the thrift store. One of those Pinterest unique beaded tops. Look how beautiful that color is. It's sheer except for where the cups are, and low key I think I am gonna alter and make it smaller. I haven't tried it on, but I just know it's gonna be big on me. It's a medium, and the brand is Pinky. The last item in this haul is this little short sleeve cardigan, I guess. It's really cute. I like it. I feel like it will fit nicely. I don't think I tried it on, but I love how it's more cinched here and a little bit looser up here. I feel like with baggy pants, it'll balance it out and it'll look super cute. That's my thrift haul. I just have been loving outfits and styling, posting Instagram pictures of my outfits and stuff like that. Like, I really want to take a picture in this outfit because I think it's really cute. Also, I am a victim of coloring talk. I did get this book on Amazon. It came super fast, but the markers, I feel like I have been waiting a week for them. So I can't wait to really get into this. These pants were at Ross for $15. Hello. And I also got these jeans, which are 100% cotton. I think the wash is kind of weird. For $13, I think it's kind of cool. I could probably make it work, you know? These barrel jeans, oh my gosh, my favorite pair of jeans. They're so thin, which I love because I live in Florida. I do not need to be wearing thick hot jeans. I also found these little shorts. Fall gives me cutesy vibes. You know, matching pajama sets, like pajama shorts and a sweater. I don't know, they just give me a vibe that I like. And they were like $8 at Ross. And then I got this Coach little travel set. This was $30. This is the most expensive thing I got. I like having lotion, perfume, all those type of things on me. Lip gloss, lip liner, everything on me at all times. I got this DKNY candle. And it's mahogany, which reminded me of Abercrombie. So it has like a very musky, manly scent, but I don't mind it. This was strictly supposed to be a thrift haul, but I ended up showing you guys some of my recent purchases, which is okay. I hope you guys don't mind, but that's the end of this video, guys. I really do want to start showing you guys more sewing as sewing becomes more prominent in my life again, because I think it's fun and I want to, I don't know, influence people to do good things and save their clothing and save their money and have fun in a healthy way. Okay, that's my spiel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.